Hey future tech pros, welcome back to the channel. If you're already familiar with the basics of control systems and data communication but want to go deeper and smarter for your DCDC certification, this video is made just for you. This isn't for total beginners. Today's guide is designed for those at the intermediate level. Maybe you've worked on real-world projects, handled some installations, or you've already brushed up on the basics. Now you're ready to pass the exam and step up your game. So grab your notebook, and let's map out the journey from intermediate learner to certified professional. Step 1. Quick recap. What is DCDC certification? Let's start with a quick recap, because even at the intermediate level, you should anchor your knowledge. The DCDC certification focuses on distributed control systems, data communication networks, protocols like Modbus and Ethernet, and troubleshooting in electrical and automated environments. The exam expects more than definitions. It tests how well you apply theory to real-world scenarios. You already know the components and basic principles. Now it's about mastering design logic, fault isolation, and optimization techniques. Step 2. What makes the intermediate level different? Intermediate learners, like you, face different challenges than beginners. You've probably seen real installations or simulation environments. You know the basics, but you need help stitching everything together for system-level thinking. The exam expects you to understand integration between devices and systems. Analyze communication flow using tools like Wireshark or serial sniffers. Be aware of redundancy, failover mechanisms, and system backups. This guide is all about bridging that gap and turning your knowledge into exam-ready expertise. Step 3. Study blueprint for intermediates. Now let's lay out your study blueprint. Here's a practical roadmap for intermediate learners. Module 1. Deep dive into control systems architecture. Focus on how distributed control systems, DCS, differ from SCADA, PLC, and basic hardwired controls. Understand their layered architecture, sensors, actuators, field devices, controllers, and HMIs. Module 2. Mastering communication protocols. You already know what Modbus and Ethernet are, but now you need to dig deeper into frame structures, error checking, baud rates, and address planning. Module 3. Fault finding and troubleshooting. Study real-world fault examples, how to identify packet loss, poor terminations, EMI issues, or incorrect IP configuration. Module 4. Real-world case studies. Review documented system failures and retrofits. The exam loves scenario-based questions, and real-world case studies will teach you how to analyze and resolve problems logically. Step 4. Recommended study resources. Now here's what you should be studying at this level. Official DCDC study guide, skip basic pages, focus on system design, protocol deep dives, and troubleshooting sections. Technical white papers, look for vendor documentation from Schneider Electric, Siemens, and Rockwell Automation. Online simulators, platforms like Factory.io or Logix Pro help visualize logic and communication flow. YouTube channels and forums, places like Control.com or PLC Talk are goldmines for real-world troubleshooting threads. Step 5. Exam day strategy for intermediates. Now let's talk about the day that really counts, exam day. Since you're not a beginner, your focus should be on two things: time management. Don't overthink questions you already know. Trust your instinct and move on to harder ones later. Application mindset. Expect scenario-based questions, like system diagnostics, protocol selection for a specific environment, or choosing the correct controller settings. The test isn't trying to trick you, it's testing your ability to apply knowledge. The more real-life scenarios you've reviewed, the easier it will feel. Step 6. Final motivation. You've already got the foundation. Now it's about refining your thinking from a technician level to an engineering mindset. Remember, the goal isn't just to pass the exam, it's to apply these concepts in the field confidently. Whether you're aiming for a new role, a promotion, or simply leveling up your professional skill set, intermediate knowledge backed by certification can make you a go-to problem solver in any tech-driven workplace. So stay consistent, trust the process, and your DCDC certification is within reach. If you found this intermediate guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment about where you are on your DCDC journey.